Hi everyone, I'm Himashi. I'm an enthusiastic home cook and I welcome you all to my channel. So in this first episode, I'm going to show you how to cook a Sri Lankan style tempered potato curry. Let's look at what we need. Here I have 10 to 12 small potatoes, a couple of cloves of garlic, some curry leaves, 3 medium-sized onions, some pandan leaves, cinnamon, oil, salt, some turmeric and some chili pieces. So let's spread the ingredients. First I'm going to boil the potatoes with some salt because these are small potatoes. I'm not going to peel and cut them into halves before I boil them, but if you are using larger potatoes you can do that. While the potatoes are being boiled, let's prep the other ingredients. Now that the potatoes are boiled, I'm going to temper the other ingredients. I'm going to add some oil into a heated pan. Let the oil heat up. The oil is sufficiently hot enough now, so I'm going to start with the garlic. Let it fry for 30 seconds. The garlic has been frying for around 30 seconds and I'm going to add the onions, the curry leaves, the pandan leaves and the cinnamon. Mix everything well. The onion mixture has been frying for around 10 minutes now, so I'm going to add the other ingredients. Add the chili pieces. This is according to your taste. A bit of turmeric powder and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well and fry it for another couple of minutes. This has been frying for around 2-3 minutes now, so I'm going to add the boiled potato. Mix everything very well so that the spices are caught up well with the potatoes. I have been frying this potato mixture for around 10 minutes until the spices are well absorbed into the potatoes, and I'm just going to turn off the stove and serve the potatoes now. This vegan friendly potato dish is now ready. I hope you will cook this at home and enjoy. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time.